Hi guys, in this simulation we want to simulate and calculate the forces between two curve-shaped magnets. In order to import the geometry from the step file from the SolidWorks design, first of all we have to create a new 3D simulation. You can choose this icon, insert Maxwell 3D design, and then a 3D design will be opened. In the modeler menu you can choose import and then go to the, for example, a step file that you have from SolidWorks and double click on the step file. As you can see, the whole step file will be imported to Maxwell design. As the design is not in the center of the coordinate system, you have to move the whole design to the center of the coordinate system in XYZ coordinates. In our project, we have two magnets and two plastic tubes. So as the plastic doesn't have any magnetic characteristics, so we can delete and not model the tubes. So we have two different magnets that is magnetized in radial vector. Here, as you can see, I have moved the magnets in the center of XYZ coordinate system, and I draw a cube around the geometry to be the vector potential equal to 0 as boundary. In this simulation, we want to calculate the forces between magnets in different positions. I have defined a variable as dx to be changed from -4 to +4 millimeter. As it is obvious, as we can change the dx, the position of the green magnet changes, and so the forces between them will be changed respectively. Now let's start with simulation after we move the whole geometry to the center of the coordinate system. We have two different magnets that are magnetized in radial shape. So I have to define two different coordinate systems, each for one magnet. You can choose the create a relative coordinate system button, and in this way you have to define x and y vector. After you choose x and y vector, you can use this coordinate system to magnetize your elements. So I have defined two coordinate system for green magnet. As you can see, it's the center in the center of the green magnet, and the second coordinate system is on the center of the yellow magnet. I have chosen these coordinate systems between the magnet, and when I move the magnets, the coordinate system will be moved by the magnet. I choose the green coordinate system, and when I change the value of the dx, the coordinate system will move too. To define a parameter, you can go to the Ansys Maxwell 3D model, go to the design properties, and you can add a length parameter.